welcome back to my channel. Today's video we're gonna be unboxing this beauty instrument. So I got this one from Amazon and I already take it out from the Amazon Prime box. So I don't even know what you call this device, but it says here it is a machine wrinkle, it's a face wrinkle machine, 5-in-1. It has 6 color light beauty device. So I don't even know what's that mean, but let's open it up. And it looks like this. Yay! And of course it is in pink color. So I have watched a lot of videos about this product, and it comes with the stand, and it is a charger as well, and I think that's it. But where is the plug-in? Okay, so here I have the paper about the device, and it also has the wire for the charger. So here is the charger, and then so it's right here, and then here it says lead in nutrition. So yeah, so let's check it out on Amazon. So I got this one for $39, and red is, let's see, let's turn it on so you guys can see. So the power is right here, and then the LED selection. So let's turn it on. Okay, so red is applied to help the regeneration of collagen to increase skin elasticity. And then the green is to inhibit the growth of melanin and makes the skin whiter and cleaner. And then blue is to anti-inflammatory, calms and shrink pores. It's suitable for acne or oily skin. And then the orange one, which is says here, which is the yellow, it is to brighten skin color. It's suitable for spot and dull skin. And then the purple or pink color to brighten skin tone and whiten. And another pink flashlight is to promote absorption of beauty liquids. So there is that. I don't know if you guys can see. So let's see how to use it. Step 1, clean your skin and apply lotion. And then step 2, turn on the device and choose the mode you like. And then step 3, the hand has to hold the conductive metal strip. The current and the body form a loop acting on the skin. So hold it like this. And then step 4, massage your face from bottom to top, inside to outside. So, and then it will show you the correct way of how you use it. So full contact with the skin. And then so yeah. So I'm so excited to use these guys. Oh, so here's the blinking light, pink light. So the pink blinking light is to promote absorption of beauty liquids. So here is the bottom. And then you can just stand it like so, and it will charge itself. So I don't know how to shut it off. There's no on and off button, but let's try to hold it for like 10 seconds. It will shut off. So it won't work. I guess it will shut off by itself. But here is the device. So I don't know what is the, I don't really know what you call it, but I guess it's a beauty instrument. So here it says lead in nutrition, tightening and lifting, nourishing and anti-wrinkles, remove acne and whitening. So it is suitable for eyes, face, neck and body. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy watching this video, and don't forget to give this a thumbs up. And please subscribe to my channel, and until next time, thank you so much for watching.